Hello and welcome to our review of the Standing Desk Adjustable Height, a versatile and efficient solution for both home and office environments. This desk features a spacious one-piece top work surface, providing a completely smooth area that's perfect for accommodating up to 3 monitors, a laptop, and other work essentials, all while eliminating the bumps and noise caused by gaps. With its solid electric standing desk frame, it offers outstanding stability and a higher load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 176 pounds while allowing you to adjust the height from 28 to 45 inches with 3 memory preset options. The desk also includes casters with brakes and a headphone hook, giving you the flexibility to replace stationary feet with wheels for easy movement, even over to a treadmill. Its smart operation system includes an anti-collision function to prevent accidents, unit conversion between inches and centimeters, and a safety lock to limit movement, ensuring a seamless and safe user experience. Assembly is a breeze with the complete set of tools and instructions provided, but be sure to align the side wings correctly to avoid any issues with pre-drilled holes. If you encounter any problems or are not satisfied, the customer service team is ready to assist you, ensuring you have the best experience with your new adjustable standing desk.